Come here, free skins, and then you click here to claim your points, because every single day you can claim some free points simply by logging in and clicking here claim, and I have already taken it actually today. And then you will get another 50 points usually by following them on Twitter. So I have already done it. If you can see, I am following them on Twitter. So those are 2 awesome tips how you can get points every single day with one click of a button. At the moment there are 3 different options where you can start earning coins and then transfer that into money, but they are adding new offers all the time. So there are featured offers, offer walls and surveys, and you can see here sometimes there are even bonuses. They can 50% bonus for these offers, 25% bonus for these offers. Let me show you here on IT Studios to give you a little bit an idea how much you will earn. Now you are wondering like, what are these? How much is 1 point worth? So if you scroll down, you will see that they show this money in points. I will tell you that 1000 points is $1, 3000 points is usually $3, and 100 points is usually 10 cents. So if I give you a couple of examples, for example, this offer is around 4000 points, so it's around $4. This one is more than 4000 points, so it's more than $4. And here you can see the instructions. For example, for these ones where you earn more than $4, it says play and finish level 11 within 14 days, new users only. They also have notifications that is a little bit hard. So I assume this one is easier. Solitaire Grand Harvest. Play and reach crop 9 within 21 days, new users only. It's almost $4 only, so you would click here and here are the instructions. Step number 1, download this app in your mobile phone. Step number 2, play and reach crop 9 within 21 days to get the rewards. And here are some hints. To get your rewards, you must reach crop 9 within 21 days of installation. Your reward will be delayed up to 24 hours and the user will be only rewarded for completing one offer for this application at the last click, and only new users are eligible for the reward. So make sure you read all the requirements. And when you fill this out, you can see that there are offers for desktop, so your computer, then also for Android phone. So as you know, I have this OnePlus Android phone, and then also for iPhone. So you can decide which device you are using. You can make money even with your smartphone. So let's say because I'm using the Android phone, I would click here, then I would choose the Solitaire that we just saw, and then I could, for example, send an email link, and then I could come to my phone and I could open that link in my phone to start earning money using simply my Android phone. And by the way, meanwhile I was recording, the money has come to my Coinbase account that we just cashed out. You can see here the Bitcoin that we cashed out, around €5, around $6. 1 minute ago. It only took a few minutes, like 5 minutes or something like that. So it was super fast, and I can tell you this is one of the fastest websites that pay when you cash out. And the wonderful thing is that, as you saw, there are many different withdrawal options and they are adding them all the time more. So how much money can you earn on free skins? I will show you here.